Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about lists in Python. So guys, now let's begin. First of all guys, I'm going to create a file called lists.py, and guys now here I'm going to do the code, and guys now I'm going to run this file, and guys now here I'm going to do the code. So first of all, let's talk about what is list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So in a list we can store multiple items in a single variable. So here I'm going to create a list. List is equal to, so here I'm type item 1. So this is the list name, and here you can see here we have to type this, and guys here we have to type this, and now here we have to type the item names. Here apple, banana, and here I type cherry. So this is the list. You can see first we have to type the list name, then equal to, then big bracket, then here we have to type list items. Here this is the variable, and here we have stored many items. Here in a variable we have stored many items. Now here, now if you run this, then guys you can see nothing, because here we have to print this, print item 1, and now if you run this, then guys you can see this list. Yeah, guys, now like this we can use list. So first let's talk about how to access a list. So here I'm going to type how to access a list. Lists. So here, now here I'm going to create a list. So this list will be item 2. Item 2 is equal to apple, computer, tech, and guys now here you can see, now we can access the list by printing this item 2, and guys now if we run this, then guys you can see this is the item 2, and guys now here if you only want to access this list only apple, then guys now here we have to type 0. So now here you can see this is only going to show apple, and now if you want to access computer, then guys now here we have to type 1. Then guys here you can see this. So Python counts from 0. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and guys now if you type here 2, then guys here you can see tech. So like this we can access a list. And guys now here we're going to access this list by more things. So here we're going to print. So now guys now if you want to access only apple and computer, we have to access both apple and computer but no tech, then guys here you can write apple item 2, and here in this, here we're going to access apple. So here we're going to write 0, then colon, then here you can see now we're going to now we're going to access computer. So here we can type 1. Guys, now if you print this, then guys you can see apple, only this apple. Now if you type 2, and guys now if you print this, then guys apple and computer 0 0 1 2. So we're going to print this. Now if you type only 0, then this will print whole. So guys, first of all I'm going to comment this. So guys, you can see this will print whole. So this means 0 2, this means 0 to all items. And guys, now if you can see 0 to 1 items, so this means 0 to only, but 1 will be not counted. So you can see only apple, so computer is not counted. And guys, now if we type 2, then guys you can see apple and computer, tech is not counted. So 0 1 and 2, but 2 is not counted here. Now I'm going to comment all of these. So guys, close all. And guys, now here I'm going to comment all of these. Then guys, now if you want to access this list from so now if you want to access the tech, then guys now you can like this, print item 2 and here -1. So this will access this list by here from a positive direction. So -1 is tech, and here you type -2, then guys now this will print computer. This is -2 and this is -3. So guys, this is amazing. So guys, this is amazing. Like this we can access list. Yeah guys, now let's talk about more in list. So here you can see, now here I will create a item 3, and guys now here we can see, here I will type computer, and here we type coding, here we type apps, and here and lastly here I will type my name, Satyam Misra. And guys, now here, now if we access this list, print item 3, then guys you can see we have accessed this list. You can get like this, we can access our list. And guys, now if you want to access from here to here, from computer, coding and apps, then guys here, then guys you can add 0. So from 0 to 1 2 1 2. But guys, now if you type 2, but apps will be not counted. So that's why here we have to type 3, 1 step further. You guys now can see computer, coding and apps. So like this we can use the list in Python. So now that's it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to get more computer and coding related videos, then guys please make sure to subscribe to the channel and yes, press the bell icon. And guys, if you want to learn Python, then guys please make sure to access this Python playlist. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.